Lightly spray the silicone mould. Pour batter into mould and bake. Allow cake to cool down. Gently ease the mould away from the cake. Use melted chocolate to coat the egg part of the mould and pop it into the fridge. Use star nozzle to pipe buttercream onto the cake. Take your time and cover the whole cake. Gently pull the mould away from the chocolate and the mould will release the chocolate egg. Pop the chocolate egg onto the cake. Continue piping different colours onto the cake and use different piping tips. Enjoy! Happy Easter!